Hey YouTube, so today I had nothing to do, so I think I'm going to do a bike check. Show you what's going on with my bike. Alright, so I have an S&M Stricker frame. It's Josh Stricker's signature. Up front I have Odyssey Classic Dirt forks. I really like them, really solid, feel great. Up tire rim wheel wise, I have an Eastern hub laced to an Eastern diode rim with Miraco tread. Up top I have I believe it's a Haro top load, will drop down low stem. Running low on money, last thing I could get. Then I have S&M Perfect 10 bars with S&M logo ODI lock-on grips, I believe that's what they call them. They're like ODI compilations. 21-inch top tube, 13.75 chainstay, 25 tooth sprocket, run 25.9. Thinking about going to 28.9 or 39, not sure yet. Then I have a KHE reverse hub free coaster. I really like it, really good to start out with. You know, if you're beginning to learn BMX, good with your fakies. Basically just get used to rolling backwards. It's white, laced to a red Eclat Exodius rim. Fit tread, it's Fit FAF white wall tread. We the People seat, black label pedals. You know, just throwing stuff. Didn't have a lot of money to finish it up, so threw, you know, the cheap stuff I could have got on. That's why I have an Eastern front rim. So yeah, sprockets, Shadow Conspiracy. So yeah, got any questions, message me, hit me up. Have a good day.